Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a menu. So you just come here, you can see here it is showing that start building your page. Press here and now you can see that you can choose from layouts, blocks, saved, global blocks, but today as I told you I'm going to make a manual menu. So just press here, create your own. Now you have got a section where you can bring the elements. Now press here and you can see the elements are here, and you can go in the bottom to find the element you are looking for, and also another way to do it, just searching the element you are looking for. So right menu, and the moment you bring it here, already preset menu will come. And now on the right side, press here, press in this button and then go in this burger menu, and here you can see that menu, and this one is the COL1 is the menu you can see. Now I will change it to the second one. You can see the another menu. So if you have 2 to 4 menus, you can actually choose which menu you would like. So if I choose the col 3, you see the menu is changing, and if I choose the front page menu, and then the menu is changing as well. So menu is something you already worked on, and you know which menu contains what items, and according to your choice you can actually put which menu you would like on the top bar or on the bottom bar. So in the menu you might also would like to have a logo, and also would like to give a contact number to your audience, and you can do it by to create a logo. You just have to go again here on the element and bring the column section and put it there. Now you can see that you have 2 columns, and I already told that you would like to have a logo and a phone number to give in. You can bring another column so here this side you just take this menu and put it inside, and the menu is here. And for logo you can bring an image and then put your logo from the library. Let's say I would like to put this logo in, and you choose that one, select this logo and then update it, and it's already inside. And to put a phone number, you just take this text button and that write this phone number. So now your phone number is ready there. You can adjust these boxes by just dragging them along. And now you can see this logo, this phone number is in the middle, but this menu is just a little bit on the top. If you just think of this line as the base, so you just go here and press in this setting. You just go in this setting and press here, and here you can see the content where you would like the content to be, top or on the bottom or in the middle of the box. So now you can see they are aligned. So a menu has been created for you with navigation items, and then your logo, and then the phone number you want to give to your customers. Thank you very much.